Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna be covering a song called "Lovely" by Billie Eilish and Kelly. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm not gonna play the music. I'm just gonna sing. However, please do not mind the background. So thought I found a way. Thought I found a way out, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night. Oh, 100 years need a place to hide, but I can't find one that wanna feel alive outside. I could find my fears. Here's in a little way. I'm of glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin to bone. How come home? Walking out of town, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my headspace. But I know someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night. Oh, 100 years need a place to hide, but I can't find one that wanna feel alive outside. I could find my fears. Isn't it lovely? Oh, it flies my mind of slow. Tear me to pieces, skin to bone. I'll come home. Like, I know I'm garbage, guys, but I just wanted to sing. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.